For this recipe, you'll need 10 jalapenos, bacon, sausage, 1 package of cream cheese, salt, pepper, a few toothpicks, some foil, a cookie sheet, and oil spray. Preheat your oven to 375. Cover your cookie sheet with the foil nicely. Tuck in all the edges and make sure they're secure. Now it's time to chop the jalapenos. Make sure you chop them in half evenly. Don't forget to save your seeds. They can be replanted in the springtime. If you have young children, make sure you remove the whole pit. You don't want it to be too spicy. If you forget to take out your cream cheese in advance, it's okay to put it in the microwave for 30 seconds. Use your coconut spray to coat onto your foil. That way, no sticking will occur. When adding your seasonings, you can eyeball it. It's about a teaspoon of each. Garlic salt, salt and pepper. Feel free to add more seasonings if you like. Hey, it's Improv Cooking 101. Yay! Put all the ingredients into a bowl. Mix well. Each jalapeno with the mixture and wrap the bacon around it. You can use a toothpick to hold it in place. Curiosity killed the cat. I know what you're thinking. What do I do with these leftovers? I've got the perfect solution. After adding the remaining stuffing, pop it in the oven with the jalapenos. your remaining bacon away for tomorrow's breakfast. Check your jalapenos after 25 minutes. If they don't look done, just add another 5. The remaining stuffing should be soft. Looks good. Whether alone or with rice and beans, these jalapenos are delicious. You can use the stuffing to make crispy tacos. Before you put in your corn tortillas, make sure your oil is nice and hot.